Ifeanyi Chukwu na James ebe ka unu nọ bịa nụ nso. I was asị m ọ na mbịa nnọchi ebe a ọ na ụlọ ajụghọ question a ọ na ajụghọ this question ebe a amaghị na something is basically wrong, so I expected the question. O mere ọfụma maka na ndị wapụtara asịrị na gịnị asịrị na nke izizi ama m James before now ọ bụrụ mbọsị ọ na-eme Akachaam ka m nwere ya amaara m ya ọfụma adịna ọ gwara ihe a na-ekwu na mmadụ adịghị sweet compost ọ dịghị sweet compost. He's been to my office na parish priest o jigo parish priest report ọnụgwọ ebe ọ na-ekwu ọsịna onye gwa nke a tupu ụfọdụ onye nke a chukwu ya unu nwere onwe unu because ọ na ọmụnwa that is the basic question m ga-ajụ. Mma asị onye bịara ịmụrụ maka Ifeanyi Ubah ọ sekretary Ifeanyi Ubah ka ọ bụ ọ mụ na Ifeanyi Ubah ka ọ bụ ọ dọkpara Ifeanyi Ubah ka ọ bụ what kedu ife ọ bụ? I get personal question. Ọnya ife isi mma ajụ. Nke ọzọ bụ why would he in the first place maybe as not a defender when I give a voicemail you work maka Ifeanyi Ubah una anụ ya you don't listen to ihe onye a na-ekwu maka Ifeanyi Ubah ịnụ ya ebe ọ sị na Ifeanyi Ubah bụ the worst thing that has happened to humanity. Ndị fada ụna eji ya ọnwa ndị ji elu emụna se ndị ọha na-akwa so ofu onye a na-edifend Ifeanyi Ubah na-ekwu ihe ndị a niile two voicemail onye a ga-eyi anyị ga-eji ede etu a I have met him, his family members agaga disown onye before the public who have seen the video ị na-ekwu na onye a bụ onye aṅụrụma na ọ na-esi Igbo and ndị na-ego adịghọ na mma unu a na-achụkwo James Okoye nwaanyị one ka ọ nụgoro unu ama ha unu ajụrụ so na ọ nwere ike ya akpọkọta na mmadụ ife James chọrọ bụ na-ekwu pray for him. Ọ bụnya kpatara ndị mmadụ na-asị m react ya si aga na reactara igbo niile bụ ha masị m ise anything. What I said to people si bere dị ekpere na aradịrị ya and ọ bụrụ na a ga na-agba ndị Knights of St. John ọ bụrụ na good question na abụ chaplain ndị Knights of St. Mulumba before ndị St. Mulumba ewe ego ha ga-ewe gị na nwunye gị mana ndị St. John's nwere ike bịa wee so nwoke wee so nwaanyị so ọ bụrụ na a na-ewe di na nwunye mgbe James chọrọ ịbịa ha ka ajụ ihe mgbede ntachi ha ka ajụ ekere nwunye ya kpọta nwunye ya Higdities na this said a na-ekwu na Ifeanyi Ubah lụrụ this cathedral and ife kpatara anyị ji agbachi nkịtị na ọ nwere family and don't want to ridicule anybody. When I came to this diocese I was appointed 2021 November 9 when I began work to clear this cathedral. I'm going to clear this cathedral. I saw in the record of the diocese 10 years at that time 2021 on one of the going to the cathedral and I got a video he asked my predecessor how will I go to the diocese here 214 million 214 million 12 years ago. How many diocese here 214 million 12 years ago? 31. And when I took over, when they are now because I insisted that this cathedral my predecessor erected there, I started clearing the place. Father Pascal, I don't know if Father Pascal in Kenya. Yeah, Father Pascal was working at the site. Father Nne will come. He's a priest, parish priest in Venice. He took the diocese 1.4 million. If we see Ifeanyi Ubah 1.4 million. Ever come and billboard they make campaign. Those big board on Nafu. Where they have an email by? Where don't Ifeanyi Ubah an email cathedral? Now about billboard. Nkwambodi na odi around ever come maybe. We had to hire a crane 700,000 for monitor. Even with Ngwongwo there. It took us before the concert we did here na stadium for the radio station. Father spearheaded it. The amount of money. And because na the church and since I came here, we look at it now 2021. If I get betting for one time, if all melon, and when they put a saber now, all the security board driver there, and I put a there's a picture. What's the number? Sutan in Jabia, and all our hospital, there's a picture. Don't snap picture, say it. Don't make your post for campaign with me. I don't give a. So when people make claims, unfounded claims, you don't forget, only on a diocese. Don't forget, by the time I took over, this church was not roofed completely. I was the one. I was asking for the crane. I do a billion years after. And I asked Ifeanyi Ubah, I'll say, now, I say, make care from Obodoyo. I called my friend, Engineer John Akachaam, manager company. I'll say, what draw the height of this cathedral. And I measured it, I said to him, 4 days after, a sick from Port Harcourt. Because I call for the happen for them. As now the Lagos Ghana and I now I just came. I had to go see around them. To the ones. I had to call him. He came here later on my asked me better one. 0.7 minutes. I bought zinc back. I called another Ubah. So when the one day go around, how can I don't want and then another commands, we celebrate one for the living and for the dead. Of course, here one day, contribute to the cathedral. And don't forget, there was a cathedral. And many people contributed.